Hi, I'm Savanandan Reddy Alla with roll number 30385435. I'm here to present my individual contribution in Sprint 1 in the project. So this is a dashboard which we created collectively, and in this I contributed for the Australian total sales in millions by year and Australian total sales in millions by region. So let me show that in Power BI. So this is the one of the visualization I created. In here I used map, and in this map it shows the Australian total sales in millions by region. So it is the sum of the sales. So here the total sales in Western Australia over the period is like 1542.46 millions, and in South Australia it is like 1930.05 millions. Like this, in the major regions in Australia it shows the sales. Coming to the Australian sales in millions by the year, if you observe here, it shows the total sales are very high in 2008, and in the second highest is in 2007, but not later than 2008 till 2020. In our literature review, we came to know that in 2008 there is a sharp crash in stock market which affected in the individual financial status. So the income of the individuals reduced, which in return affected the sales of the games. Coming to the stream specific knowledge which I used during this sprint one. For data analysis and data research, the previous subjects, business intelligence and data warehousing and big data analytics, were very useful for me, and I used knowledge gained from those subjects. For the literature review which I did, I used understanding digital revolution and professional research and communication knowledge, which I gained in my previous semesters. Coming to the knowledge which I gained during this sprint one, I gained the basic knowledge in Power BI. So for creating some visualizations, how the data is transformed and everything in Power BI. As Power BI is a very advanced tool, there is still more things to learn in Power BI. And overall overview of SQL Server. So we use SQL Server database to store our data and work on it. And I also understood the importance of Agile methodology in a project. Coming to the things which I should improve during my next sprint. As Power BI is very advanced, I still want to know many things in Power BI. And coming to the database, I already used SQL database, but I want to explore the other databases, and I want to know the advantages of using different databases for different types of data and types of analysis. Coming to the data modeling, as I already said, the data modeling for this sprint is fine, but it is not the overall data model for the project. So we are still improving our data modeling, which I mentioned here to be improved. Thank you for listening to me.